chip cookies with me? All right, first what we need is 2 sticks of butter. Yep. The first thing you need to do is brown the butter. If you don't know how, ask your mommy or daddy to help you. When it gets foamy, you're almost there. Transfer the butter to another container and then add 1 full ice cube. Nutty. Now you will put your butter in the refrigerator for 20 minutes to let it cool. While the butter is cooling, get together the rest of your ingredients. 10 ounces of all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of salt, 5 ounces of white sugar, 2 large eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 5 ounces of brown sugar, and 8 ounces of chocolate chips. Remember, boys and girls, weigh all of your ingredients. We are not cavemen. Whisk together your white sugar, your eggs, and your vanilla until long ribbons form. See how the ribbons are sticking to the beater? That's what you want. Switch to your paddle attachment and add your flour, baking soda, and salt. You only want to mix for about 15 seconds to the tube. You should see some bits of unmixed flour. Then add your brown butter and brown sugar. Mix for about 10 more seconds. Now, all you have to do is add those chocolate chips and mix for a couple more seconds. This is the best part, licking the beater. Your dough may not look all the way mixed, but that's okay. What do you mean we have to refrigerate the cookies right now? Bullshit! I want them right now. After your daddy grounded you because you said bullshit, put the cookie dough in the refrigerator to rest overnight. The next morning after your daddy forced you to go to bed early, you take the cookie dough out of the fridge. Shape your cookie dough into 1-ounce balls and don't forget, we're not cavemen. Measure your dough. On some pieces of the dough, you'll see big clumps of brown sugar. That's good. When you are done, put the cookies in the oven for about 13 minutes at 325. When your cookies are done, take them out of the oven and crack a small amount of salt over them. After the cookies are done baking, you give them to get 2 cookies and give them to each of your favorite brothers. Mwah. Just eat it. still tastes good. And that's how you make the world's best cookies and beyond.